Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make bread pudding. So I have 12 slices of stale bread, and we use stale bread to make this bread pudding. So I have 2.5 cups of evaporated milk, and I'm going to pour that over my bread, and I cut them in cubes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave this to soak for 10 minutes. So let that soak a bit. 10 minutes is up, and I'm going to add my 2 eggs beaten, and 1/4 cup of butter. Then 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can use mix or any essence you prefer. So I'm going to mix this. So I'm going to add my coconut. I love mine with coconut. If you don't want it, you can omit it. Okay guys, I'm using 1/2 cup of coconut. Half cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of flour. My grandmother, she used to use a little bit of flour in there to give it that firm cut. 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give that a good mix. This is one of my favorite, guys. I have a lot of favorite food from the Caribbean. And last but not least, 1 cup of raisins. And you can add anything you want in it. For example, you can add some chocolate chips, some cherries, some mixed fruits, you name it. Oops, one fell. And you can always taste along the way to know if you want more sugar. I like to use 1/2 cup because I like to eat mine with a little bit of ice cream, sometimes condensed milk, you name it. I didn't add any salt to this because there's a little percentage of salt in the butter. So I'm going to pour this in my baking dish now. And make sure your baking dish is greased. Look at this, guys. So I'm going to cook this at 350 degrees, and I'll let you know how long it cooks. Okay guys? Be right back soon. Hi guys, so the bread pudding is finished, and I bake it for 1 hour and 50 minutes at 350 degrees. So after it cooled down, I will cut it for you. So guys, I'm going to take out a slice for you so you can see. There you go. You have that with ice cream, whipped cream, whatever you like it with. Very delicious, guys. Cut you another slice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.